we are building this site.
It's Greek again.
Actually, you have the English version here. So this site is based on subscribers actually, and the visitors will have to pay for a subscription in order to get access to the articles. So we take favor of Stripe inline functionality of subscriptions, and where the recurring payments and everything are handled by Stripe. So what we try to do is, let's say, synchronize the Stripe subscriptions, customers, and everything with this site. So if someone goes area to the members area, my internet is really slow here. Sorry for that.
You didn't lose internet,
Okay,
because I can still hear you.
I don't know. Anyway, he can register his details, and you can see that I have one active subscription here and some purchase magazines. So what we do, it's with workflows. We started creating some registration workflows here for registration. So the customer will fill a form, the visitor will fill a form, and after some validation, we go to this one, which actually, as you can see, it's a Azure function. I will show to you later. So this endpoint, actually, it's create a customer. We pass all the necessary inputs, and to find its definition, create the customer here. It's we getting the input, and with Stripe, we just create a new customer. And the flow continues to create a subscription and so on. But before that, we needed to have a way to migrate the old subscriptions. Are not so many, but we need to migrate from the old system to the new one. And by the way, we didn't have access to the old system, so this had to be done by the clients. So we created this form that someone pass username, email, company name, whatever he wants. We have added a captcha, and the administrator select the subscription. So when someone presses the submit button, and wait for a while. Okay, it says that the user subscription was created successfully. So let's go. The system and content. We have created a new subscriber here with the email, a new user subscription with the corresponding user, and we have created a new user. Here we are in the system using the workflow. And if we go to the customers and refresh it, we will see the customer, and in subscriptions, we see a new subscription for the specific customer. So all of this work, actually, we did it without any code, any module. We just used the workflows, module. So this is the workflow. It's smaller. So
the form is also using the workflow to create a an account from the previous system into the Stripe system.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So the steps is that we register the user to the system. We register the user to the Stripe. We get the Stripe customer ID in order to associate it with our content. We create the subscriber here, and we create the subscription in Stripe. And afterwards, we create a user subscription in our system and a success notification message. And so the initial, it's not finished yet, but the initial, let's say, synchronization is being done with workflows and two functions. One is create customer, Azure function, and the second is add subscription function. And they are pretty straightforward. So we get the customer, the price ID, and we create here the subscription. Just like the Stripe give us the code directly. So we have a checkout, we have more things to do, but with Azure functions and a simple workflow, we managed to make it happen. So this was the demo.
So why do you need Azure functions?
So one way is that we could build a module, but I wanted to play with Azure functions, and in order to use the Stripe key, we wanted to have it server side. So the idea is that to build Azure functions for Stripe interfaces, and maybe these can be reusable for from other systems as well that are not essentially inside the Azure Core or a .NET Core application. So if we have the endpoints and Azure functions, we can use it in any system.
Another interesting thing is that you can disable it whenever you want, even without touching the orchard sites for security reasons, if you want to stop this API from being available. Interesting. Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Stripe supports subscriptions. I forgot about that. And you can, and they will handle like the monthly, yearly payments. And yeah, that's good.
Yeah, so I think that Stripe gives you an alternative not to have personal data and private data.
Yeah, you don't handle any payment information, so it's also safer. That's good. Thank you.